So what are you doing?
I'm logging into my Honor mobile banking app to see if I can pay this bill you just gave me.
So is that Honor's new mobile app?
It is. With the new upgrade, it's really easy to log into your online banking.
Okay, you didn't even enter a password.
I know, right? So all I did was hold my phone up, blink once into it, and I'm in.
Okay. So what could I use?
Well, you could use your thumbprint.
Okay.
You could use a PIN number, but with your voice, I would recommend the voice recognition.
I can use voice recognition.
You can.
That is awesome.
You wouldn't even have to remember numbers.
I like that a lot better. All right. All right, so how do I get that on my phone?
You already have it on your phone. All you have to do is upgrade your app.
Okay, so the same app, I just have to upgrade it.
Yep, and then just click on those little icons and pick which one you want to use.
Okay, perfect. Now, if I leave here and want to look at it later, what do I do? Can I call you?
No. But you can go to honorcu.com.
honorcu.com.
Wow, that's really interesting. So how are you going to pay for that?
Oh, I think he's got this one.
All right, well, let me check my app here quick. So, bank here off. So so how much money you got in there? Want to be my sugar mama?
Oh boy, I don't know about that.